Get out of there. Show me your hands.
Go. Northbound, he just ran crazy. He ran circle too. We'll get on time. He's touching the prime. What is that?
West on East Main passing Humphreys. South on Fenmore.
Say that again.
Southbound on Fenmore.
Do not drive safely. Don't break your neck, okay?
Northbound on westbound on Charles.
For the relay.
Eastbound on Elder.
Cargo's relaying. Which way on Elder?
East. Now heading south on Wallace Street.
Okay, Stadium Drive.
Now eastbound on Academy Street.
Get in front of me, Lil. You have a location for me, Mendes?
Yeah, he's double back southbound. I lost him here for a sec. I'm on West Edge. I think he went on Park. All right, he's running right there. Ditch the car on Park.
Guys, give me your speed.
10-3, 10-3. Someone just picked.
He's on the move again in a Coco K9 Explorer going north on 95. Air 1, follow that car. You got another car.
Air 1's got eyes still northbound.
Black Coco K9 Explorer.
Okay, we got units coming up just south of Dunlawton. It's the only vehicle coming at you. Center lane, blue lights on.
Any other vehicle dealing with them, block your doors. Stick it. Alright. Delta 32 has eyes northbound. Are there guns in the front of the car? Ask the K9 handler from Coco. He says yes, there probably is.
Okay, vehicle is smoking north of 95, or north of Dunlawton by about a half mile. Going into the inside lane.
Being advised that's a SWAT officer's vehicle. Don't be in the same lane with him, he's going to lose debris all over the road. Alright, everybody hold there. We need a K9 up here, Mike, where you at? Passing Williamson. Alright, he's breaking for the median, guys, he's breaking for the median. Breaking for the median, everybody slow down, don't ball up here.
It's underneath the wires. Underneath the wires. In the median.